Congratulations, you have made it to the last topic of Module 2. So give yourself a pat on the back for doing all of this hard work, but it's going to pay off in the long run. So this topic, we are going to focus on Google Keep. Now, I have seen this tool being featured all over social media. I've seen it on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and honestly, it has been a game changer. So I'm going to show you how to first create the awesome titles that people have on their Google Keep. Now, Google Keep doesn't come with them, so you have to create them, and you can create them whichever way you want, or however you want to design them. So I'm just going to show you a basic way to create one. I have shared this file with this Google Drive from my personal account, so I'm going to remind you how to find a shared document. So if you go over here to the left-hand side, you're going to click on Shared with Me, and it's going to be the Google Keep titles. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. Once I have it opened, you'll see that I have 3 made on the left-hand side. But the first thing you need to do before you make any of these is change the page setup. And how you do that is go up to File. You will click on Page Setup, which is almost to the bottom. And you'll want to make sure to change it to Custom. And make sure that you type in 16 width by 6. And it's going to be in inches. And hit Apply. And then I just went ahead and changed the background. So you click on Choose Background up here. I just went ahead and changed the color of it. And I'm going to do this color. And I hit Done. I already had a text box made. All you need to do is click on the text box icon up here and draw your text box. I wanted this one to be to-do list. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight it and change the font. And I believe for this one I used Luckiest Guy, and that is it. Then you want to go ahead and save each slide as a picture. So you'll go to File and Download, and then you can either save it as a JPEG or a PNG. I just usually save it as a JPEG. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to do that for all 4 of them. Alright, now that I have all of my pictures saved for the titles, I'm going to go ahead and go to Google Keep. You can either type this into the Google search bar and type in Google Keep, or you can access it through your dashboard. So the first thing you want to do is click on Take a Note. And if you want your title to be an image, you'll hit Add Image. And as you can see, I have a lot of images. And mine are somewhere in this download. Yes, right here. So the first one is the to-do list. I can go ahead and upload it. It automatically moves it to the top, which I love. You don't have to do any extra work there. I try and go ahead and change the color to something that matches it. And then you can take whatever note you have or need to write. I'm just going to go ahead and put I need to go grocery shopping. And then you hit close, and there it is. So I'm going to show you that one more time. So click on Take a Note, the image button. You're going to wherever you saved the pictures, and you're going to open. Now you can change the color right here, and I'm going to change it to this blue. It's close enough. And let's see, what do I have to grade? Let's do homework and quizzes. And close. So now I have these notes in here. The one thing I like about it is how many times have you gone into a faculty meeting or a professional development meeting and you opened a Google Doc to take notes? Well, this helps prevent you from opening that Google Doc to take notes, because you can create a note and you can add an image, and this one's going to be titled Faculty Meetings. So if I want to take a note at a faculty meeting, all I have to do is take the note in here. You don't have to open a Google Doc, then forget to change the name and completely lose it. So I'm just going to write I have a faculty meeting on Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. And that's pretty much it. You can also add a list to it. So let's make a reminder note in here. And we're going to change the color to green. And the reminder is going to be, I have a project. I need to get an oil change. I need to okay, so I made my reminders list and I put on there that I need to do a project and get an oil change. Well, I already did the oil change, so I can go ahead and check it and cross it off my list. So I absolutely love this feature, and it helps keep you on track, but it also helps with organizing and staying organized within your Google Drive so that you're not adding any Google documents that are unnecessary when you have this feature here as well. The last thing I want to show you is that you can set a reminder as well. So if you want to take a note, you can title it or you can add an image. So let's say I have a faculty meeting on Tuesday at 2:30. So I can schedule that for August 4th at 2:30. I hit custom and then I can type in the time. And I can either do it as weekly, daily, yearly, custom, whatever. So I'm just going to do it weekly and hit save. So then it's going to remind me every time on Tuesday at 2:30 that I have a faculty meeting. So there's a lot of great tools out there that you can use through Google Drive, and this is one that I absolutely love, and I hope that you incorporate it into your Google Drive as well. But as always, if you have any questions, just reach out to us.